Sustainable Food Engineering Food System. Welcome. Today I'll discuss the integration of sustainable engineering in food system, addressing global challenges, implementing solutions, and their impact on societies. The global food crisis. The global food system faces unprecedented pressure as it prepares to meet the needs of rapidly growing population projected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050. These challenges is multifaceted, involving the need to increase food production while simultaneously addressing environmental, economic, and social sustainability. Environmental issues in food production. Industrial food production plays a significant role in environmental degradation, making sustainability an urgent priority. It is whispered impact veins various ecological domains, presenting a critical need for reform to ensure the long-term health in the planet. Food security for future generation. Food waste is a critical issue that in the global food system, with approximately one-third of all food produced, about 1.3 billion tons annually being wasted. This loss occurs across the entire supply chain from production and processing to retail and consumption, and thus profound environmental, economic, and social implementation. The Netherlands has become a global leader in sustainable agriculture, leveraging advanced technology to produce high yields of food while minimizing resource consumption and environmental impact. Despite its small size and limited arable land, that country has demonstrated how innovation can revolutionize food production. Food engineering holds immense potential to address the pressing challenge of sustainability in the global food system. By leveraging advanced technologies and scientific principles, food engineers can redesign process, reduce waste, and create innovative production with a significantly smaller ecological footprint. Renewable energy in food production is integrating renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, biogas into food products facilities, offer a transformative approach to reducing reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing carbon footprints. This shift only mitigates climate change impact but also promotes sustainable and resilient food system. Vertical farming offers a transformative approach to food production by leveraging innovative engineering and technology to address the challenges of traditional agriculture. Sustainable engineering plays a pivotal role in addressing the growing environmental crisis by prioritizing the development of innovative packaging solutions that are biodegradable, reusable, or both. Sustainable aquaculture. Sustainable aquaculture is a promising solution to meet the growing demand for seafood while addressing the environmental challenges associated with traditional fishing practices by employing innovative techniques like recruiting aquaculture system like RAS. Community-based food systems. Encouraging local food system offer as a multifaceted solution to some of the environmental social challenges posed by industrialized food production. Benefits of sustainable food engineering is embracing sustainability in food production offers numerous benefits that extend across the agriculture sector, environmental health, and consumer well-being. Challenges in implementation. Transitioning to sustainable food production practices faces several significant challenges despite the pressing need for change due to environmental impact of industrial agriculture are a number of barriers hinder the adoption of more sustainable methods. The increasing disconnect between food production and consumption has led to significant food waste globally while millions of people still experience hunger. Innovation apps and systems that connect surplus food with those in need are emerging as effective solutions to tackle both food waste and food insecurity. Sustainable engineering is playing pivotal role in the development of plant-based and lab-grown protein, significantly reducing the environmental impact associated with traditional livestock farming. Educating future engineers and farmers about sustainable practices is crucial for fostering a long-term adoption and innovation within food system. Raising consumer awareness about sustainable food choices is a powerful strategy that can significantly influence market dynamics, encouraging companies to adapt their practices and products to meet the growing demand for eco-friendly options. While app and system that connect surplus food with those need present valuable solution to food waste and hunger, several challenges must be addressed to ensure their success. A sustainable future for global food system on the integration of multiple efforts across engineering and innovation, policy support, and consumer engagement. Sustainable engineering is poised to play a pivotal role in addressing the complex challenges facing in global food system. By integrating principles of sustainability into engineering practices, we can develop transformative solutions that enhance food production, reduce waste, and protect the environment. Thank you.